Jump, 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 jump. Hi, take a closer look at the score. Have you spotted the staccato from the score? Yes, staccato tells us to play in short and detached touch. And there are many different types of staccato. In this exercise, we'll be using wrist staccato. Left hand, wrist, right hand, imagine the wrist is the door hinge. Enjoy your practice. Find this video useful? Try our full book and revolutionize your piano practice altogether. No more long hours of boring finger drill exercises, but just a carefully planned 10 minutes each day. How much more fun and effective your practice will be if you just try this book. Still not convinced? It's okay. Get your free worksheet first and see the improvement for yourself. Here is a practice video for you. Are you ready? Let's go!